Welcome back, boys and girls and mums and dads. What do you think we're going to do today? Well, this lesson is going to make us think about how dangerous plastic is for our environment and for us. You will need paper, colors, scissors, glue. Activity 1. Plastic is killing our world. Plastic is ending up in our sea, whether we like it or not. We cannot wait for companies or governments to put pressure on factories making plastic to reduce their production or to find an environmental friendly product instead of using plastic. What actually goes into making plastic is a highly guarded secret, hence the huge fences always around these factories. This may seem a massive problem to us as individuals, but we all can make a difference. Everywhere around the world, people are being educated on this enormous problem. A plastic bottle takes 700 years to decompose. 12.7 million tons of plastic ends up in the sea every year. Let's see if you listen carefully. Here are some questions. Number 1. What does decompose mean? Number 2. How long does it take for one bottle to decompose? 3. Where does a lot of our plastic end up? 4. Find 3 words that describe what a great problem plastic is to our environment. Let's listen to the answers. I'm sure you got them right. Number 1. Decompose means to break down or decay, like tree leaves that decompose into dirt or nice compost. It is to remove or undo. How long does it take for one bottle to decompose? It takes 700 years for one plastic bottle to decompose. 3. Where does a lot of our plastic end up? Sadly, most of our plastic ends up in the sea. 4. Find 3 words that describe what a great problem plastic is to our environment. Plastic is a huge, massive, and enormous problem. Activity 2. Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a collection of rubbish in the ocean. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is 1.6 million square kilometers, which is bigger than the size of South Africa. It is so big that it can be seen from space. Floating plastic waste is choking out the life in our sea. How do these photos make you feel? I am sure you love eating fish, but how will these creatures in the sea survive? Activity 3. What can you do? Well, before you throw plastic in the bin, think about where it might end up. Maybe in the tummy of that fish you are having for supper. You can tell all your friends not to throw plastic away. Shout out to your friends that they can make interesting things out of plastic bottles. They could even make money by selling the things they make. Now make posters to stop this littering. Draw a picture and write a message on each poster. More fun! How about you collect bottles, plastic bottles, instead of throwing them in the bin, and make interesting things out of the bottles? Here are some ideas. Look at those beautiful pictures. You can do it, boys and girls. What about making bird feeders too? Well done to you all. See you next time.